Alright, so this is going to be an update on all my smoke detectors. Of course I got all the smoke detectors that I usually have, but I just got this First Alert P900 smoke detector, and it's pretty cool. It's a unique shape. I got it just today for Easter, and yeah. So I am going to put my headphones on for ear protection. Oops. Okay. I'm shooting on the iPod Touch, and let's do this. So, of course, first off we have the Kidda code 19040 on 9040. Please ignore the sound of my clock. And next up, we got the First Alert. And of course, the new First Alert. It wants to go off. It's like, when I did this, the light started flashing for some reason. It was like flashing on and off randomly, like it wanted to go off for some reason. I don't know why. Or maybe it's just my imagination. So, here we go. 3, 2, 1. And next up, we have this First Alert. And then the Kidda I-9030. Oh. And of course, the Mutter carbon monoxide alarm. I should have said update on smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. I'm going to do that again because I was talking. 0 ppm. It's not loud at all. And that should slowly turn off. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it, and thanks for watching.